Hey guys, it's Taryn. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today, we are going to be in my Capital Chic Designs planner for this week, and I am just in love with black and white. So I'm going to do like a black and white theme with a little bit of like pinkish color for this week. No matter how much I try to get away from the black and white, I always seem to come back to it. And I love how it looks in the CCD planner because it has such a neutral base anyway. So you really can just get really creative with it. But the black and white still pop when you just want to kind of go a little simple. So I'm still just playing around with having the deco boxes in the middle, but I think I'm gonna start being a little bit more courageous and just trying a few more things. It is different in this planner than my happy planner because I do have the spiral to kind of show off versus like the disc where I can pop it out. So I'm still getting used to trying to plan around those spirals, but I'm enjoying it. I love it. Hopefully you guys are having a great summer, and hopefully you will enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one.